am Vijay Bhaskar. I represent Kisan Raja Venture. I come from a rural village called Kadapa in Andhra Pradesh. Kisan Raja is a revolutionary device. It changes the way farmer irrigates his farmlands today. The value proposition to the farmer are many-folded. Mainly one is like inconvenience and personal safety. That is pretty much important. Otherwise he has to travel in the middle of the night and on a rainy day, and he might face like electric shocks or all those things. And also when it is raining, in case if he had switched on the motor and came back home, and if he has to go back and stop this device in rain, is a big pain, right? This device will give remote access to do that. And apart from that, if he has multiple motors today, he has to use labor to control those motors. With this kind of a device, you can sit at home and then operate many devices. When I saw my family suffering, then I thought of getting a solution for them which is available in the market to help them. But when I really looked at it, there is no proper solution which addresses these problems. I went and took a market survey with almost about 100 farmers in various regions of Andhra and Karnataka. Then I felt that this is not the need of my family alone, and then it could address a larger community. Coming from Indian middle class family, we have the savings mindset. So we had enough, and then rather than going behind the luxuries in life, so I thought of using the savings to pursue my dream than going for a luxurious car or luxurious apartment. There were some people who offered us local language support. For example, when I want to build a user manual or tech support document in Marathi, and I didn't have people in my team. Sometimes winning is not everything. So in this path of making educating people, you might get like collaborators, partners, volunteers, funds, infrastructure, help or any sorts of things. So go about doing as education rather than a campaign for votes.